Welcome to the Thrifty Pilot. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of maximizing your plane's annual inspection. By working closely with your mechanic, you can ensure your aircraft remains in top condition, enhancing safety and performance. Preparation is key to a successful annual inspection. Start by organizing all relevant documentation and maintenance records. This includes logbooks, previous inspection reports, and any records of repairs or modifications. Discuss these records with your mechanic to give them a comprehensive understanding of your aircraft's history. This helps identify potential issues early and streamlines the inspection process. Next, create a detailed checklist for the inspection. Work with your mechanic to outline specific areas of the aircraft that need attention. This checklist should include routine inspection points, as well as any areas of concern noted from previous flights. A thorough checklist ensures nothing is overlooked and helps prioritize tasks, making the inspection more efficient and effective. Effective communication and collaboration with your mechanic are crucial. Stay involved throughout the inspection process, asking questions and seeking clarification on any findings. Your mechanic's expertise is invaluable, and understanding their insights helps you make informed decisions about necessary repairs and maintenance. Building a good rapport with your mechanic fosters a partnership that benefits the overall health of your aircraft. During the inspection, your mechanic may identify issues that need attention. It's important to address these promptly and decide on the best course of action. Discuss repair options, costs, and potential impacts on the aircraft's performance and safety. By being proactive and decisive, you can prevent minor issues from becoming major problems, ensuring your aircraft remains airworthy and reliable. Once the inspection is complete, review the findings and the work performed with your mechanic. Ensure all repairs and maintenance tasks are thoroughly documented in your logbook and maintenance records. A comprehensive post-inspection review helps you understand the current state of your aircraft and provides a clear record for future reference. Keeping detailed documentation is essential for ongoing maintenance and regulatory compliance. By preparing thoroughly, communicating effectively, and staying involved, you can get the most out of your plane's annual inspection. This not only enhances safety, but also extends the lifespan of your aircraft. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the Thrifty Pilot for more tips and insights on aircraft maintenance and aviation best practices. Thanks for watching, and fly safe.